Why are industrial machines so heavy? Some CNC machines weigh more than a car. But why? Is it just strength or something smarter? In this video, Ray will uncover the real engineering reasons behind heavy machine design, including vibration, rigidity, and hidden structures. Vibration. When a machine cuts metal, it generates powerful forces. These forces create vibrations, also called chatter. If the machine is light, it starts shaking. This leads to poor surface finish and tool damage. Precision. Even a microscopic vibration can cause a wavy finish on a metal part. Material choice. Many machines use gray cast iron specifically because its internal structure is excellent at absorbing vibration, but it requires thick, heavy castings to be structurally sound. Heavy machines absorb vibration, making the process stable. Rigidity. During machining, forces try to bend the structure. Even a tiny deformation can ruin precision. Industrial processes involve massive forces. Imagine a drill pressing down with several tons of pressure. If the machine frame is flimsy, even if it's made of steel, it will flex. The tolerance gap. In aerospace or medical manufacturing, parts must be accurate within microns. If the machine bows by even a breadth under load, the part is scrapped. Mass stiffness. To prevent bending, engineers use thick cross-sections of metal. The heavier the machine, the less it deflects under stress. Heavy and thick structures increase rigidity, meaning less bending and higher accuracy. Internal rib design. Inside machine frames, there are hidden rib structures. These ribs act like bones. They increase strength without adding unnecessary weight. Thermal stability. Heat affects size. Even metal expands. A massive block of iron takes much longer to change temperature than a thin sheet of aluminum. This thermal inertia ensures that the machine's dimensions stay consistent throughout an 8-hour shift, regardless of the factory's ambient temperature. Heavy machines heat up slowly, keeping dimensions stable and accurate. Conclusion. So machines are not heavy just for strength. They are designed to reduce vibration, increase rigidity, and maintain precision. Matra SY industrial machines are built heavy because precision needs stability.